back to my channel. I am back from the dead. Just kidding. I am back, you guys. Welcome back. It's been a hot minute, but I am here now. And I missed you guys. I hope you guys missed me. Some of y'all may not even notice that I was missing, but I am back. And I'm going to try out a new series on my channel called Expectation versus Reality. Well, you guys know how you're always scrolling through Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and you're seeing all these quick 2 to 3 minute DIY stuff or life hack stuff. And you're like, I wonder if that really works. Well, I'm gonna test it out for you guys here on this channel. A little secret, I suck at DIYs. It's not even really a secret. It's just, I am not the best person to do DIYs, but I always see them doing all of these cool things and it looks super easy. And I always wanted to try it. So let's get the ball rolling and start with the first DIY that I saw. This is hot chocolate bomb. So what is a hot chocolate bomb? Apparently it's a thing. I see it on TikTok, I see it on Facebook, I see it on Instagram. I see people tag me in this chocolate bomb balls at Costco. And I went to Costco, you guys, and it's sold out because before this video I was gonna buy a box to show you guys what it's supposed to be like because mine will probably not be like that. But I can't find it, it's sold out. So let's try to make our own. Some things you will need are hot chocolate, molds, sprinkle, obviously melted chocolate in whatever color that you would like, marshmallow, cupcake liners, a spoon, and something hot like a griddle or a stove with a hot pan. Step 1. According to my research, we're going to heat up the chocolate and melt it to put inside our molds. Mix it up. Okay, I think it's about done. It's like drippy. I'm assuming with this, we're gonna have to work fast. So, got my molds, my hands are clean, roll up my sleeve, and let's put it in the mold. So I'm gonna take a chunk, and I don't know, put it in the mold. I'm making a mess already. And in the video, they spread it out. Okay, let's see. I need like a consistent glaze. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Trying to glaze it. First one looks okay. Let's go ahead and do the second one. Hopefully this looks okay too. I think I got it now. I think the key here is to have a thicker layer of chocolate here and then just kind of like use the back of the spoon to swirl it around. I don't know, I've seen some people use a paintbrush, but we're just gonna go with the spoon and put a generous amount so this chocolate shell is kind of thick, but not too thick. All right, I think this is good. Let's stick it in the freezer to do the next color. All right, stuck it in the freezer. Now working on the green one, same steps. Love this green, it's like Grinch green, my favorite. Okay, nice and melted. So, let's put this in the mold. And in case you're wondering, these are like bath bomb molds that I had ordered on Amazon. They're round, I don't know. I think you can use different silicone molds also, but I'm just working with what we have and hopefully it works. Some time has passed and I pulled these out of the freezer. So they normally should just come out. I just have to like kind of slowly and carefully, oh there it goes, lift it and pull it out. Just be super careful. Ah! Okay, so we got half of one here. I got my green one. Got the other green one here. And we're gonna fill it up with our hot cocoa and marshmallows and sprinkles. Okay, I'm gonna add my hot chocolate. There we go, it should be good. Add some more over here. There we go. Next, I'm gonna add my sprinkles. And more sprinkles. And last but not least, gotta load it up with the marshmallows. The more and the better. I can't believe this DIY is going well because most time, honestly, it's a DIY fail. And this so far has been okay. I mean, we got this far. Now the toughest part I think is to get this and it's all like jaggedy. I'm gonna have to make it flat and even and then like merge it together, you see? I'm a klutz. Okay, So I've seen videos where they put it on a hot plate or they put it on a griddle. Some even use a pan, but I think the smartest way is to use a hot plate. So let's just get a regular plate, put it in the microwave, and we'll use it to seal. Okay, this part, I'm really nervous. I got my hot plate, and let's just put it on here. I'm just gonna twirl it to make it flat. Okay, that should be good. And it's nice and flat. Now, whoa, that worked out good. And then I think that would be good. It's melted. It fits, you guys, but we're gonna have to seal it. You can heat up more chocolate, or you can get like, cheat like me and get like icing, and we're just gonna put it here to seal the chocolate bomb. Okay, so I'm just spreading it now. I think it's good. Make sure you guys have clean hands. Okay, and now I'm gonna throw it back in the freezer. Oh wait, I wanna decorate it. Yeah, let's decorate it. Okay, hold on, I forgot about that. Okay, so this, and I'm gonna use this green here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do like little zigzags, I guess. Just to add some color. And I can't forget about my sprinkles, so drizzle it on top just to add some color. Oh, I just want to eat this thing. Okay, now I can put it in the freezer and work on the other one. Here we go. My hot chocolate bomb is done. Hopefully YouTube doesn't flag that because I said bomb. But look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of my work. I mean, I honestly thought that it would not work out because I normally suck at DIYs, but here we have it. Proof to hot cocoa bomb. And I got my hot warm milk in here. Smells good already in my favorite mug, Bah Humbug. Even though I love Christmas, not like I don't love Christmas, but I just love the word Bah Humbug. Okay, enough talking. Let's test to see if these work. I'm gonna put one in here and we'll see what happens. Time for the test. I'm gonna take my hot cocoa bomb and let's put it in. And let's see what happens, you guys. Anything happening? Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Is it gonna burst? Oh, awesome. Okay, now gotta twirl it. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, and cheers. Oh, it's so hot. I'm scared about my tongue. That's like Christmas in a cup, you guys. If you guys have not tried this, make sure you try it out. I know it's just hot cocoa in a cup, but this whole hot chocolate bomb thing, I know people see it on Costco and you see TikTok videos and videos about it. Like, this is just amazing. It feels like Christmas in a cup. Okay guys, if you would like more of these videos or whatever videos, leave a comment below, let me know. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, like, and subscribe, because that's all for today. I'm gonna enjoy my nice cup of hot cocoa. Make sure you guys subscribe to my Instagram. I'm gonna put the handle right here down below, because that's the end of today's video. Make sure you guys smile because you're beautiful. Bye.